The Philips Avent Digital Bottle and Baby Food Warmer is the only warmer with advanced technology designed to smartly and accurately adjust warming time based on contents and amount. Whether warming milk or baby food that is frozen, chilled or at room temperature, the warmer heats quickly, safely and evenly, with no hot spots. The versatile design holds all Avent bottles, storage cups and baby food jars or tins. To start, place the bottle warmer on a firm level surface. Measure and pour in 30 millilitres, 1 ounce of water for warming milk from room or fridge temperature, or 150 millilitres, 5 ounces for frozen milk or food jars from any temperature. Place the fully assembled bottle, including the cap or storage container with lid, in the warmer. For food jars and tins, please refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Close the lid, ensuring that the front catch clicks shut. When sterilising the large 330 millilitre, 11 ounce bottles, the lid flap will lift to accommodate the larger size. Plug in the warmer, then switch it on by pressing the mode selection button for 3 seconds. The warmer will beep and the symbols will illuminate. It automatically defaults to the mode for warming milk from room temperature. The warmer is now ready for use. If the lid has not been closed correctly, the symbols will flash. If the warmer is switched on and no selections are made, it will automatically turn off after 3 minutes. To begin, press the mode selection button repeatedly until the desired symbols are illuminated. You can choose from 6 options: milk from room temperature, chilled or frozen, or food from room temperature, chilled or frozen. Then select the amount of milk or food in the container by repeatedly pressing the volume selection button until the desired volume is illuminated. If the desired amount is not shown on the display, please select the amount nearest to it. For volumes in grams, select the same amount in millilitres. The maximum volume that may be selected when warming food from frozen is 230 millilitres, 8 ounces. To start the warming cycle, press the volume selection button again until the warmer beeps. The warming cycle is in progress. Do not open the lid. Please note that warming food jars or tins from frozen is not recommended, as the jars may crack. Please use Philips Avent storage cups instead. When the cycle is complete, the warmer will beep intermittently for 30 seconds, and all the volume display lights will continuously flash for 3 minutes. You can remove the contents as soon as the warmer begins beeping. After 3 minutes, the warmer will beep 5 times and will turn off automatically. We recommend removing and using the contents immediately, even before the warmer automatically turns off. Be careful when opening the lid, as steam can escape. Use a cloth when removing the container, as it may be hot. Use the lifter to raise small bottles and food jars. Don't remove the lifter from the warmer. Always check the feed temperature before feeding your baby. For milk, ensure the lid of the container is tightly secured, then shake it. Check the temperature by sprinkling a few drops on the back of your hand. For food, stir it thoroughly and test it yourself with a spoon to ensure it's not too hot. When finished, unplug and empty any residual water. To warm additional containers, just refill with water and start again. Otherwise, allow the warmer to cool, then clean the inside and outside with a damp cloth. To remove the lifter for cleaning, push the handle away from you, rotate it by a quarter turn, then lift it out.